The winds roared through the forest as Minister Rama Deva ran with all his strength, a glowing fruit shining in his hands like trapped sunlight. Behind him, the kingdom whispered that the king had no heir, and inside the court, cunning men quietly aimed for the throne. Rama Deva knew he had to act before everything collapsed. He had served the king since childhood, and the king always said, "Rama Deva, you are my friend, not my servant." Lately, the king felt weaker, and he said, "My friend, I feel older every day. How can I protect my people like this?" And Rama Deva promised, "I will find a cure, my king, I promise you." He traveled across far lands and met healers and monks, but found nothing, until he saw a strange tree near a cliff where a wounded bird ate a fallen, glowing fruit and healed within moments. He whispered, "This fruit can restore life. This can save my king." Then he climbed the tree, plucked another fruit, and slept below it, not knowing a cobra bit the fruit while he slept. When he returned to the palace, the healers tested a small piece on a dove. The dove collapsed instantly, and the king cried, "Rama Deva, you brought poison into my home!" And guards seized him before he could speak. At sunrise, he faced punishment, and he bowed, saying, "My king, allow me one final request." And when the king said, "Speak," Rama Deva pointed to the glowing fruit and said, "If you believe the poisoned fruit can kill you, then let it kill me. Bring it to me." The crowd gasped, and the fruit was given to him. Only then he examined it closely and saw tiny puncture marks. He raised his voice, saying, "My king, a cobra must have bitten this fruit while I slept. Now I know why the dove died." And he bit the untouched side. A burst of golden light surrounded him, and his body became strong and young again. The king ran to him, saying, "Rama Deva, you were innocent." And Rama Deva whispered, "Forgive me, my king, for returning late." But the king embraced him, saying, "Forgive me, my friend. I should have trusted your heart." Rama Deva led the guards back to the tree. They brought another fruit to the king, and the king ate it. His strength returned, and he stood tall again. That evening he declared, "I may have no heir, but I have a friend who saved my throne." And no schemer ever challenged him again. A loyal heart protects even when the world doubts. Truth may arrive late, but it arrives with light. And real friendship is stronger than any throne. Subscribe to Clarity Mantra for more such stories.